I studied landscape architecture, and after my degree, I had some experience in garden design in Italy and also for public space. I am a PhD student at the University of Florence, where I'm working on the first green plan of the city of Florence with the university and the public administration. We are looking for new strategies, how to improve the quality of the public space, and also for water urban strategies. And at the same time, we are looking for to prepare the city, the Mediterranean city, for to the climate change, and in general, how to improve the quality of the lifestyle for people in the urban system. I think that is going to be a important turning point for my career and to improve my skills in planting design, because I use it to work at big scale, but my passion is more about garden design. And here I have the occasion to study and improve my knowledge about planting association and to open my mind and learn from different point of view about garden design. And I think it's going to be very important for me for my career development. For example, I had the opportunity finally to meet Nigel Dunnett. That is a design that I admire a lot. Every lesson is like a master class, and so I'm so enthusiastic to join it. I want just to. I have a lots of new idea now. I took a lot of inspiration. I'm so excited. I want just to start new project, real project. In Italy, we have a long tradition in gardens, in historical garden. But I think that here I can found it's for me more interesting about planting design for contemporary design. If someone want to join this school, it's easy. I mean, you can do that with the normal visitor's visa, so it's quite easy. The only problem is you can't work. I mean, my desire at the beginning was to work in a company, in a studio, and at the same time study here in Kew Garden, but now you can do that with the normal visa. I'm lucky because with my PhD I receive money. If you have passion about gardens, about plants, about environment, about nature, about animal, study plant association is something amazing. And it's also a challenge because it's a research all the time. It's a research, find a new way. I dry garden, rock garden, I don't know, but I mean it's art and I don't know, scientific approach at the same time. It's something artistic and technique at the same time, and you can express yourself. You can be useful for the people, for the environment, and at the same time you can feel good with yourself. I study in Kew Gardens. It means that you can spend a lot of time turning around the gardens and watching plants all the time. And it's a botanical garden, one of the most important places in the world. So study here, I mean, it's quite different to study in a closed classroom with small window. You are always in contact with nature, in contact with plants. We already talk about plants, and all the time you can take inspiration, because it's like to have the entire world here. You can reach it, and you can take a lot of inspiration, a lot of idea, and you can understand also how the environment is changing, because in Kew Gardens you can see the effect about the climate change, and so it's quite interesting. And for me, it's like a sentinel, it's like an alarm that is going to say, oh, the weather is change. In London it's going to be like Barcelona in the next 30 years, so we have to be ready, because some plants start to suffer, other plants start to be fine with this weather. So it's a problem, but at the same time it's an opportunity. And study here in Kew Garden, you can have this sensibility, you can understand it, and I think it's a good tool for your job, because with this sensibility you can be, it's an advance, and it opens to you a lot of opportunity.